Hello, viewers. Welcome back to our channel, Devintelle. Today we will see how to add stages in the project form view. So let's see about that. You can see here our module, Dev Project Stages. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. Go to projects, go to office design, go to anyone, and see here this task stages. I want to add new inbox in internal. Let's save. So office design for add total 3 new inbox and internal. Now go to configuration and go to this menu task stages. So I add in office design. So see here added new inbox and internal. In display project office design. Thank you.